Hi everybody, welcome to Big Valley Living. A few nights ago I cooked filet mignon and didn't do an intro for it. So here I am. This is just how I cook it, this is how we like it, and it is really good. I know it's a pretty expensive cut of meat, but it's absolutely amazing. You can make $100 dinner at home for, you know, a mere 20 bucks, maybe 30. And off we go. So there are 2 filet mignons at right about ½ a pound a piece. This one's a little bit smaller, a little bit bigger. That's fine, they're gonna be awesome. So this baby is scorching hot right here. So I'm gonna take and put them in. And that's really all you're gonna hear is that scorch right there. Hear it? Right there. And we're gonna let that go until they release from the pan. And yeah, it's crazy good though. And if you pull, typically they won't come off of there, but it might be ready. But if there's a little bit of pull, don't want to do that. Just want to get them good and scorched on each side. I'd turn on the fan, but you wouldn't be able to hear me. So see, when you first put it there, it won't move. The second it'll release, you're going to want to turn it to another side. Sorry, this is taking a second.
This is real time.
Yeah, this is real time. It just takes maybe 20 seconds aside, if that.
You can see how the juice is bouncing off of sizzling off of the side of the pan. Make sure when you do this that
there you go. See that? It moves. Boom, it goes to a side.
Make sure when you do this that you use an oven-safe pan so that you can take it from the stove top to the oven, which we have preheated to what is it?
350.
There we go.
There we go. See how that moves? Boom, off to the side. This guy, see, it won't move, that won't move. Just do that until they move. They'll move freely. And just, at the end, we'll have to hold it and let it scorch on each side here. And you don't want to leave these to their own devices. You want to make sure that they're ready to rock and roll. There, see that move? Boom, off we go.
What about sear? That is beautiful.
It's insane though. I mean, it tells you when, okay, I'll let go now. And it'll really tell you.
And note that he didn't put any salt and pepper on there.
There's nothing but meat and pan. Period. That's it.
Before you start cooking the steak, you'll want to have 3 tablespoons of softened butter, about 1.5 tablespoons for each piece of steak, with approximately 1/2 tablespoon of garlic or a teaspoon, it really depends on your taste, of minced garlic mixed with that softened butter. And then he'll show you when he puts it on the steak to give it its flavor.
Absolutely, we're almost there. It's crazy how hot this stuff is at this point. Alright, so let's put that there for just a minute. Tell it, let's go. And I'm not really squeezing it because I don't want any juice or anything to come out, but here's where we are. So now we're going to go straight into the oven and into a 350 oven. Okay, so now I'm at 7 minutes and I need my tongs. They're over there. Thank you. And we take turn those bad boys over.
Woo! Nice and caramelized.
Turn that bad boy over. And then I'll have to switch here. I'm going to take and put one, you know, I'm not measuring all this, I just grab a dollop, put it on each one, and bam, off we go.
Was that a bam?
A bam. 6.5 minutes or so, bad boy be done. So I just took these out of the oven at the 7-minute mark or so, and they look pretty good, so I'd let them go to the 7. You can go 6-7 minutes here. I usually go 6 minutes on the front end and 6 minutes on the back end, or right around there. But these should be really rockin' awesome. Super tender, butter smooth. We'll find out in a minute. All right, so here we go. The moment of truth. I'll eat, well, I'm gonna take this one because this is actually gonna be mine. And I kind of like that garlic and stuff on there. Yeah. You ready? Here we go. I let it sit for about 5 minutes. Should have probably let it sit for a little less than that, but to me, that's a perfect fillet right there. In my opinion, I'm gonna eat good tonight. So that's how I do filet mignon. To be honest, our meal we had mushrooms, which Michelle had a video on, and the filet and asparagus. We had a wonderful dinner, and I bet it didn't cost us but $20 to $22. And my last trip to McDonald's was $30. So I will definitely do that anytime over a trip to McDonald's. So if you got something from this video, just you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. And man, we'll see you later, everybody.